So I lied to you guys. A couple of months ago, I created this YouTube channel called The Spread, as you can see down there. And the reason why I created this channel was to teach, you know, people how to make money by trading the financial markets. And I taught you guys using indicators, how to trade, synthetic indices such as volatility 75, the boom and crash indices, volatility 75 1S, and the likes of them. But the truth is, I actually lied to you guys. It's very funny. If you notice, I took a break from posting on this particular channel because um, I I wanted to learn how to trade the financial market properly instead of using so-called indicators. Now I noticed that indicators are not meant to be used to trade alone. Of course, some traders use indicators to trade alone, but the best way to trade is by using price action. Then if you feel like you can use the indicators to complement your price action. So I took a break few months ago. I took a break. Then I haven't posted for about 2, 3, 4 months now. Even I don't even know if it's even more gonna say on this particular YouTube channel. So I decided a few days ago, or today, actually it's today, to be sincere and to be honest with you guys, I decided that I'm gonna start posting again on this YouTube channel. Now, what I'm going to be teaching you guys is how I trade personally using my price action strategy. Now, I trade what we call SNR, support and resistance. But I combine my support and resistance with SMC, smart money concept. I wouldn't say that I discovered it by myself, but I can surely say that I refined it to my own personal taste. And I'm going to be sharing it with you guys in this particular video. Before we get right into the explanation of my strategy, I would like to share that I officially, purchased a Profim account, and I will be posting my journey right here on this channel. Now, I don't know what will happen in the future, what might happen, but I'll be trying to pass this Profim challenge, the phase one within in 2 weeks. That is by the end of August, by the grace of God. That should be a goal of passing, phase one. Then phase two should be passed in another 2 weeks, 2 weeks or less than. That should be by the second week of September. Then by the end of September or October, I should be withdrawing. Now, you might say that, wow, this isn't this goal isn't this goal too hard to get? But I would like to tell you something. I believe that nothing is impossible. I believe nothing is impossible actually, and we can actually do this. Yeah, if we believe. I believe in myself. I believe in my strategy. Most importantly, I believe in God. And you know, is quite funny actually, because if you do not believe, then you will not achieve or receive. You understand? So I believe in myself. I believe in my strategy, and we're gonna get this done by you know in the next few weeks to come. You understand? Well, that's enough talk for now. I'm going to be going right into the strategy straight up, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I trade my whole strategy, guys. But don't forget, if this is the first time, if this is your first time in my channel, or you have been watching my channel, I would like to endeavor you to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, as I will be posting more you know content consistently, probably during the weekends like Saturdays or Sundays. I'll be showing my trades, my P&L for the week, and the rest stuff that you guys need to see about my trading. So yeah, let's get right into the strategy. This is how I trade. So what I look for first when I get to the market is that I look for my ranges. So sorry, before I look for ranges, I look for the storyline. Storyline is how I get my direction of the market. So for instance, I get my storyline from the 4 hours time frame. So um I get it from support. For example, this is a 4 hour support, sorry, resistance, and this is a 4 hour support. So if for instance the market is buying or in a buy direction, I have to look for the storyline to confirm that the market is actually buying. So what I do is that um I wait for the market to get to my my resistance. And once the market gets to this resistance, I go to the 30 minutes time frame, down to the 30 minutes time frame. And once I get to the 30 minutes time frame, I wait for a breakout of a support. I wait for a breakout of a support. Once this market breaks out of support on the 30 minutes, I know that the storyline has changed to bearish. To that is a sell storyline or a sell direction. So if I want to get to the market, if I want to check if the market has turned to a buy direction or if the market is bullish, I wait for the market to get to the 4 hours time frame, 4 hours time frame support, then break out from the 30 minutes resistance. So once the market breaks out on the 30 minutes resistance, I I go down to my 15 minutes to start looking for my ranges. Now, a range is formed when the market gives a strong high, something like this, and a weak low, something like this, and this is for a sell range, while a buy range is formed when the market forms a strong low and a weak high. So the direction of the market will tell us which type of range we're going to be looking for. So if the market is selling, we'll be looking for a bearish range. That will be a strong high and a weak low. Then if the market is buying, we'll look for a bullish range, that is a strong low and a weak high. So what I'll be doing is that once the market creates this strong high, for instance, the market is selling, I'll wait for the market to create a weak low. Now, once the market creates is creating this weak low, I'll wait for the market to take this liquidity of the weak low, then come to a support here. And once market comes to a resistance here, and once market comes to this resistance, I look for my confirmation and I sell off. So that's exactly what I do. So for a buying market, I wait for the market to form a strong low, then the market trying to form a weak high, then takes out this liquidity. I look for a zone right here. The market comes here, gives me a confirmation entry, then I take my setup, my entry, my TP here, my stop loss maybe below this zone. Then this is basically the schematics on how I trade. Now we're going to be going into the chart right now to be looking at how I get this setup. Okay guys, so I will show you an example now on a trade that occurred, I think 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago on gold. So 2 weeks ago, to find the direction of the market, I marked up this support right here. This was the support. Then once I marked up that support, I waited for the 4 hours to come to that support. I went to my 30 minutes time frame. Went to my 30 minutes to look for the breakout. As you can see, the market, from this resistance here, it came down to the support and broke out. Let me remove this line. As you can see, it came to the support and then broke out. Now, what's the next thing I'll do? The next thing I'll be looking for my entry zone. So for my entry, go to the 15 minutes time frame to look for my entry zone. And what happened? What did I see? I saw this, the market creating a range, you know. So this was a range created by the market. Market took out this high, not taking out this high. Took out this high, not taking out the high. It took out this low, not taking out the low. I went to my M30 to look for a zone where I could take my entry from. So I saw a support. I saw this support right here, this open close kissy candle support right here, and I waited for the market to come down to this support. After waiting for the market to come down to this support, I went to my 5 minutes time frame to look for my confirmation entry. Did I get it? No, I didn't get a confirmation entry here on the 5 minutes. Maybe I'll look at the 15 minutes to see if I got the confirmation entry from the 15 minutes. No, there's no confirmation entry on the 15 minutes. So I go to the 30 minutes to check if I get the confirmation entry on the 30 minutes. There is. Wait, where is it? Where is it? Okay. But 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. No confirmation entry still on 30 minutes. Wow. So basically what happened there was the market actually didn't give us a confirmation on any of the time frame we traded from. Let's check the 3 minutes. Market didn't give us a confirmation on the 3 minutes. So on this very day, the market okay, the market gave us a confirmation entry on the 5 minutes. So after taking out that stuff, the market gave us a confirmation entry on the 5 minutes right here. So if you look closely, this is a QM pattern or a Quasimodo or a left shoulder pattern on in the market. This is a 3 candlestick formation. Now The road to a three candlestick formation is that the middle candle, the wick of the middle candle must surpass the wick of both the left and the right candles. So for example, if you want to buy, the wick of the middle candle will be lower than that of the left candle. Then once the right candle comes into the lowest point of the once the right candle comes into the lowest point of the left, the left candle's wick, you take an entry directly from there and you buy. If you are in a sell market, it will be the opposite of this scenario that happened there. So that is basically how I trade, and this is the exact strategy I'm going to be using. It's just an overview, it's not a deep in-depth into my strategy. It's the exact strategy I'm going to be using, you know on that I have been using to trade my profit account. Yeah. So guys, that is how I trade the financial market. It's quite simple and easy. I hope with time I'll be able to elaborate more on these stuff I talked about, basically on my strategy. I'll be able to elaborate. Well, all you have to do is just keep following on the journey. I just got a new name for um this project was starting. It's going to be called the journey. Yeah. Have you guys played FIFA 19 before? Yeah, we've played the journey before on FIFA. So the name of this project is going to be called the journey. You know. So in the next 2 weeks, we should be celebrating on achieving phase one profitably being passed by the grace of God. Then we'll see how we go. Remember guys, forex is just you know is not just a side hustle. It should be a way of life, a culture. Should be a culture. You understand? You might belong to the forex clan in life. So don't give up on your dreams. Don't give up on trading forex. There are a lot of people out there who came from nothing, but are at the top, at the mountain top today because of forex. So um yeah, and I'm going to be one of them. you know I believe so, and I know it's going to happen. So yeah, that's all for this channel, for this video. See you guys in my next video. Peace out.